My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. On the previous class, we have discussed about the word meaning, true, false, fill in the blanks and question answer. Today we will discuss about the matching and MCQ. Everybody listen to me carefully. Number matching. Number 1, plants give us wood. Number 2, from animals we get fur. Number 3, we can pour liquids. Number 4, we cannot see gas. Number 5, when wax is heated it melts. Now again, number 1, plants give us wood. Number 2, from animals we get fur. Number 3, we can pour liquids. Number 4, we cannot see gas. Number 5, when wax is heated it melts. Next, MCQ. Number 1, we can pour solid, liquid, gas. From this chapter we know we can pour liquid. Number 2, a pencil is made from plastic, rubber, wood. From this chapter we know pencil is made from wood. Number 3, which things were never alive? Number A, tree. Number B, flower. Number C, ring. Answer, ring. Ring never alive. Number 4, we cannot see solid, water and gas. From this chapter we know we cannot see gas. Number 5, rocks are found from A, underground, B, water and C, air. From this chapter we know rocks are found from underground. Again, MCQ. Number 1, we can pour liquid. Number 2, a pencil is made from wood. Number 3, which things are never alive? Answer, ring. Number 4, we cannot see gas. Number 5, rocks are found from underground. So everybody follow our lecture on the basis of the online system. If you don't understand, you will ask me. So no more today. On the next day, we will discuss about the another topics. So I request you, don't go out from the home and stay at home, save yourself. Thanks to all.